Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below. So we're gonna go straight into this video and we'll be installing a wig from Ashimaryhair.com, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got on the website that came in my package. And I must say this melting band with the protective earpiece is a gem, because y'all know how stifling it could be trying to melt your lace and your ear is all squeezed up. I also got this wig cap as well, and the hair that we'll be styling today is their 360 glueless lace frontal kinky straight hair, and I got this unit in 22 inches and she is full. I had to look back to be like, wait, was this really 22 inches? Because it was long and so full. This is called their newborn hairline, so it's more like a natural texture hairline, and that is gonna help your wig to look super natural. It also comes with this C earline so that it fits around the ear. We have the extra combs on the inside, the adjustable straps so that you can wear this wig glueless, and also you can wear it in a high ponytail or a bun. So we're gonna go straight into customizing the unit. Now I wanted to straighten just the front a little bit because I didn't want it to look like two different textures on my head. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and I'm going to lightly just smooth it out, but not too much so that it still gives that natural kinky texture in the front. And I think I'm going to do a side part with this unit because it comes free part. It's a 360 wig, so you can part it whichever way you want. And I want you to see how transparent that lace is. Do you see how good that lace is? So we're going to go in with our hot comb just to mold the hair in place. This hair is thick. Okay, I love natural texture hair because it just gives a fresh perm type of blow look, and I am here for it. So we're going to straighten this hair just to see how well it does with heat. Obviously it's kinky straight, so it's not going to look silky straight, but it did work really well with heat because of course it's 100% human hair, and it just attests to the quality of the hair. So this is the unit after it's fully straightened out, and look at the body and the bounce. Like, look at the movement, stiff wear, and the front is giving natural. So now we're gonna go in with the back. Just in case I want to do a full ponytail with this, we're gonna create a little bit of curly hair in the back so that it hides the lace. So we're gonna use a razor to just take out the extra hair from the back, and then we're gonna go in with this little flat iron just to create some curls in the back. And like I said, it's gonna help, you know, to make it look invisible with the lace in the back. Now it's time for installation, and I'm a lazy girl. I don't typically do the ball cap method. I just stick to like my little wig cap, and then I put on some bronzing powder on the lace. But today I decided to go in with this mousse. So this is a colored mousse for your lace, and honestly I could have just done with the makeup on the lace just to match my natural complexion, because this was so much work in a sense, and also I think it was a little bit too dark. I don't know, but we're gonna try it on and see. Actually, I think it actually matches really well. So now we're just gonna align the wig, and again, you can wear this wig glueless by pulling on this adjustable drawstring on both sides, and that is gonna get it tucked in. Now my only issue is because of the size shape of my head, I have slightly like a pea head, and also my cornrows I think were a little bit too big, so my lace in the front wasn't like coming all the way forward, and that just has to do with the size of the wig. So now I'm just going to customize the front, since, you know, like it's not coming all the way in the front because of the size of my head. And you also get these tapes that comes in the package that you could use to wear your wig glueless, but because I was wearing makeup and then my hair was oily, so I decided to ditch it because it wasn't sticking. So you want to do this without makeup on, like you want to do this on clean skin and clean hair, which I was already wearing makeup. So yeah, we decided to go in with the Got to Be, and we're gonna just spray that on there. This is super lightweight. It removes with water, like it's super easy to come off. Then we're gonna go and test out this melting band with the earpiece, and girl, that thing was comfortable. I could actually sit all day in this band. So I decided that I wanted to put some light curls in the hair instead of wearing it like super straight. And when I say curls, I don't mean like nothing super tight. Like I really just went in for a couple of seconds and did some big curls just to get the hair to look wavy a bit, and just to give it a little extra oomph. Now that the front is melted and sitting, I'm just gonna put on some bronzing powder on my parting space just to make sure that it looks, you know, natural and it matches my skin tone. And you can use whatever like little powder that you have, and this is how the hair is looking. Like I am obsessed with how shiny this hair is. Like, can you believe I did not put any oil in this hair at all? This was just me flat ironing the hair without putting any products, and she is laying flat. She is moving and it looks so natural. Now I want to do like a little updo with my claw clip. I did a little side bang situation and then the claw clip in the back, and then what I do is I bend it behind my ear and then adjust it to my liking. And then what we're gonna do next is swoop the extra piece of hair into the claw clip in the back. And this is what the back of the unit is looking like. Remember, to get that adjustment so that it fits your head, you just draw the strings on the side and then tuck them inside the unit. Like, this wig is so bomb. She is giving natural. She's giving like, I did a leave out with some clip-ins. That is what this unit is giving. Let me know what you guys think about this unit, and all the details will be in the description box down below for you guys. I love y'all for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.